Traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, October 23rd, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you didn't see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar from this morning, make sure you take a look at my video linked at the end of this video over here. But first, don't forget to check out my website, fxpipcollector.com, if you'd like to get access to my swing trade signals, my daily members only live streams on Zoom, and my 34 video trading course, all included for only $30 per month. So another big push down on the pound pairs today. Hopefully people have been following my advice and just pretty much just killing it, going short every single chance they get on basically every single pullback you see. If you have been following my advice, hopefully you are seeing some really nice profits. Look what happened today. 1, 2, 3 waves up. Most likely only a correction to this last push down, the last impulsive down. So impulsive down, 3 waves up, only to a percentage of this move down. Nice engulfing move to the downside. Another amazing entry to go short. And it looks like a 1, 2, 3 since the correction right here. So, I mean, I would expect to see something like this. And for me personally, I wouldn't even try to go long unless it went all the way up here and broke structure. So I personally am definitely only looking for shorts, and I'm only looking to go short on decent 3-wave pullbacks. So we do have some, well, first of all, we got some pound news this evening. We got Bailey speaks. For me personally, I don't think it's going to cause an entry because I'm definitely not going long and I definitely wouldn't go short right now. So probably not an entry, but if you're already short, then it might be an exit for a trade. But then tomorrow we got all this PMI news. We got PMI for the Euro, Germany, France, and so on. And then we also have UK PMI and US PMI tomorrow. So I would expect to see some pretty decent moves out of the market out of all that news that we have tomorrow. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And as always, thank you and happy trading.